Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video resume. I am Hussain Mohammad Samudro, a passionate student currently pursuing Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and Engineering at Daffodil International University. I am here to share about myself, my professional skill, my interest, and so on. I completed my SSC from Pekoa Model GMC Institution with GPA 3.94 out of 5, as well as I completed my SSC from Hajataju Degree College with GPA 5 point out of 5. Now I am studying at Daffodil International University, which is very well known in my country. I have passion for programming and problem solving, so my desire is to become a software engineer. There are some reasons which gives me confidence that I can do better in this field and ever can make a successful career. I am proficient in Bangla and English languages, and also I have a great foundation in programming languages like C, C++, Java and Python, along with proficiency in Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint, which I have gained from my coursework and hands-on activity. Now in my first year of Daffodil International University, I have joined robotics and CPC club to enhance my programming skills. Besides of academics, I have also gained valuable experience as a volunteer where I learned importance of teamwork, communication and leadership. After completing my graduation, I want to go abroad for higher studies, research and contribute to my country. That's all about me. I am grateful to you for giving me your valuable time. Thank you.